Tony here, and I want to go over something very important for your water heater, and that's your seismic bracing. As you can see on this water heater here, the top brace is loose. So if we were to have any seismic activity, this thing would be able to rock back and forth, which could damage your gas line down here or your water line, so causing a flood or something worse, gas leak, and an explosion that could burn your house down. So just make sure when you're installing your seismic bracing, you follow the instructions to the T and make sure it doesn't look like this. If you have any questions, leave a comment, hit a like, hit a subscribe. You guys have a great day and be great humans.